Back in 2018, I fell in love with Jiufen Old Street, but I only had 3 hours to go around because it was just part of a day tour. So I promised myself that when I get back, I'm going to spend the night here, and that's exactly what I did this time. So let me show you how to travel to Jiufen Old Street. From the airport terminal is a 55-minute train ride going to Taipei Main Station. And yes, Pokemon yung design ng train. Once you get to Taipei Main Station, transfer to TRA Station and get a ticket to Jiufen. This was 49 NTD. This will be around a 40-minute travel. And as you move further away from Taipei, you start to get more and more of that old town vibe. And since we were very sleepy, we actually missed our stop. So we had to get off the next station and hop on another train back to Jiufen. But I think that's okay because we got to experience riding a very old-fashioned train, which I actually think is pretty cool. Finally, we arrive at Jiufen, and once you step out of the station, you want to walk towards the left, probably about 400 meters away until you reach this police station, and right next to it is a bus stop where you catch a ride going to Jiufen, which will be another 15-minute ride. And finally, we arrive. Look at that beautiful old town. This was the room that we booked for 4 people for an overnight stay, located right behind this family mart at the very entrance of Jiufen Old Street, so it's very convenient. It's super spacious and it has Wi-Fi, TV, living room, 2 double beds, and your very own bathroom with towels and toiletries. Up next, I'll show you everything you can eat and drink in Jiufen without spending a dime.